Jayden Ryder died aged 18 last year after her car swerved into an oncoming Audi. An 18-year-old girl driving her boyfriend home died after her Fiat 500 was steered into oncoming traffic. An inquest has concluded. Jayden Ryder, who was in the car with her partner Ryan Wiffen, died after her vehicle crossed over the central line of the road and crashed into an oncoming Audi A3. The head-on collision took place on the B6287 between Ferryhill and Kirk Merrington in County Durham on the evening of February 2 last year. Mr. Wiffen, who has since been disqualified for dangerous driving in a separate incident, refused to give evidence on the first day of the hearing. But after seeking legal advice, he cooperated with Assistant Coroner Oliver Longstaff on the final day of the inquest. After hearing the 20-year-old's evidence, the coroner said that he did not find his account to be reliable. When Mr. Wiffen was formally released as a witness at the inquest, a member of Ms. Ryder's family lunged towards him, before being stopped by police. Crook Coroner's Court in County Durham heard how on the evening of the incident, Mr. Wiffen had been drinking alcohol at his boss's home before Ms. Ryder picked him up in her car. Mr. Wiffen said in a statement to police the pair pulled over briefly and had a conversation about ordering Chinese food. But data taken from a black box installed in Ms. Ryder's car shows the Fiat pulled over for a period of 38 minutes. The crash happened on the B6287 between Ferryhill and Kirk Merrington in County Durham in February last year. During that time, Mr. Wiffen's mother told police she received a phone call from Ms. Ryder, who asked her to tell him to pay back money he owed her. Messages were also read out in court between the mother and her daughter in which she asked her to sort Ryan's stuff because he was blagging my head. When asked if the couple were going to split up that evening, Mr. Wiffen said no and that they were always winding each other up.